Hey folks, I wanted to take a minute to make a video, welcome you to the course. Yeah, my name is Nick Shea. I'm the instructor for this course. This video is actually going to be created for both MATH-140NC and MATH-140ND. Okay, I am teaching two sections of online college algebra this semester, so everything's the same in both the sections. We have a lot of people taking this class online, so I'm teaching two. This video is going to hopefully orient you both. I'll be kind of switching back and forth between the two courses, but everything should look identical in both of these courses. You're going to get all the same information from me regardless of whether you're in Math 140 NC or ND. So the first thing I want to go over is I want to get you guys oriented with the different aspects of the course, where you can find the instructional material, like all the videos and stuff, and also where you can find the homework site. So we're going to start by going to cotc.edu. Again, I hope everybody's been to this page before. This is our college's website, the main page. You can see here's some stuff up here, but where I want to be focused on is the My COTC page. So that's what we're going to do. After we go to cotc.edu, we're going to click My COTC, and then it's going to ask me to log in, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. And this is going to take us to really the main hub of where you can get to all of your COTC information, whether that's your schedule or financial aid or email is up here too. But I want to focus on Moodle over here. So we're going to wait till this Moodle thing loads. And you can see I've got some courses in here. And we'll just start by, I'll just go to the Math 140ND course page. So we're going to go ahead and click continue. And this should route you to the Moodle page. There is a chance that it might say error, and then there's a link down here that you can click that will take you to Moodle. But go ahead and get to our Moodle page. We're going to wait for this to load, and essentially I think this is what you're going to be able to see. You're going to see Getting Started, and you're going to see a Week 1 folder. There's a folder right here for syllabus and course announcements. You'll see over here on the right hand side, these are my office hours. Just because you're taking an online class, I want to make it clear to you that you're welcome to come visit me in Newark. Many of you do live close to the campus or might have a class in Newark. I also live in Columbus, and I'm willing to meet you on the Pataskala campus if you set up a meeting with me. So let's just take a quick look at the syllabus. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these. So you go to syllabus, and sorry, my internet's working a little slow today. Go ahead and open that up. And I want to just point a few things out to you about the syllabus itself. So it's got my information on it. Please read through this. This is a very important document. I talk about the homework, the online quizzes, the online tests. Make sure you read this section on proctored midterm and final. You're going to be coming in and taking your midterm and final in person. So I want to make sure you can see I have these dates. So the midterm will be taken March 2nd through 4th. So you have to actually come in and sign up, and I'll get you some more information on that as the semester goes on. Next, we have some discussion posts. I'll point out the first discussion post to you. That one is an extra credit opportunity. So it's got course announcements. Oh, this is something that the coordinator of the course put in. If you were married or divorced or remarried and your last name is different, please use I'm sorry, this should say MathXL, but please use the last name that the college uses, okay? I know that your last name might be a little bit different, but we need to make sure it's consistent. Again, I had a lot of students whose last names were different in MathXL than they are in Moodle, and it makes it kind of troubling to get the grades in, right? So if you are registering for MathXL, please use that. This is a really good resource for you. This is a weekly checklist of everything that's going to be due for you. So if you look in week 1, you need to register with MathXL, watch the how to answer answers. There's a discussion board, introduce yourself, which is worth 5 points of extra credit. It's the only extra credit assignment this semester. Section 1.1 is introduction to graphing. So this week's material is all over section 1.1. Again, you should be going through this and checking that off each week. Here's my office hours in the Newark campus math lab hours. I'll get you the other math lab hours a little bit later. You can see this was the hours for fall. I wanted to make sure I got, I think they're going to stay the same on the Newark campus, but I want to make sure I get you the branch campus hours as well. And then this is really important. These are the instructions to register for MATH-140ND. If you're in the NC section, take a look at your own syllabus. You're going to have a different course code. So there's a really basic overview of the syllabus. Let's go back to Moodle real quick. So we're going to go back to Moodle, and I'm going to go into the Getting Started folder. I've put that handout for how to register for MathXL both in the syllabus as well as, let me go back here, as well as in the Getting Started folder. So when you go to click on this Getting Started folder, here's a Welcome to Math 140 Online. Here's the syllabus. I know that the syllabus here was an older one, but I have updated this, so this is the same syllabus that's up here in this folder as well. Registering with MathXL, you can see that that's the same one as the one on the last day, or on the syllabus on the last page. And then right here, this is a really important folder. It's got the blank course notes. So in these videos, like if you look in the week 1 videos, I've got videos of me working through problems, but the notes are already filled out. So what you should do is you should go ahead and print these blank notes and have those and be copying them down when you're watching these videos, okay? So you can see here's some review topics. If you don't know how to do interval notation or anything like that, you should go ahead and review that. In the second section, notes on graphing, introduction to graphing. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's go back to this Getting Started folder. There's an Introduce Yourself. This is 5 points extra credit. Go ahead and click there and fill out an Introduce Yourself post, and I will respond to it. And if you do reply to that by Monday, or by Sunday night, I will give you 5 extra credit points for that. So continuing on, here's the syllabus. So I think that gives you a pretty basic outline of what's going on with the course site. Again, if you have any questions and can't get anything, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. But I want to move now to MathXL. So let's go to MathXL, and I'm going to pull up this and show you, again, how you get the homeworks and stuff. So we go to mathxl.com. Whether or not you've taken a course with us before, you want to go ahead and click Register as a Student. If you bought a 12-month MathXL access code when you took Math 080, if you took Math 080 or 040 in the last 12 months and have that access code, what you want to do is you don't need to buy anything. So we go to OK, Register Now. If you do have an access code, or if you've already registered, you're going to go either click Yes, or if you want to buy the access code straight from this website, you can go ahead and click No, I need to buy an access code. From there, you're going to proceed and go ahead and register. It's going to ask you to put in your course ID. The course ID is the one located on the syllabus, so that would be, if you're in Math 140ND, it would be this code. If you're in Math 140NC, you have a different code, okay? So make sure you look at either the syllabus or the register from MathXL sheet in the Getting Started folder, and that has those instructions for you. So I'm going to go ahead and register for get into MathXL so I can show you how that operates. So I go to MathXL, I'm going to sign in. Go ahead and put your information in there. Hit sign in. Go to enter MathXL. And I'm going to make sure we select our course. I've got a lot of courses I'm in charge of here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on 140NC and show you what this looks like. So when you get here, you see our first homework is due in 5 days and 12 hours. So that would be, if we click on Homeworks and Tests, you can see that we hit Continue, and on the 18th at 11 p.m. is when the first homework is due, and on the 18th at 11 p.m. is when the first quiz is due. So when you go ahead and click on the first homework, you can go through these questions. They're based off the notes. They're pretty similar. If you have any questions about specific problems, there's some resources to help you out. I'm going to point these out to you now. There's Help Me Solve This or View an Example. I want you to be aware Please don't use these as a crutch. I have students who do really well in these online homeworks but cannot perform well on tests or quizzes because they use these buttons too much. There's a video to help you out, a textbook. You can click this Ask My Instructor a Question. That will send me an email with your specific question and I'll get back to you. So that's a really helpful resource for you. I'm going to go back to the assignments that we had. The quiz, when you go to homework and tests, you see that quiz 1 is you have 30 minutes to take it, and you can take it twice. If you please make sure you have a good internet connection when you start this quiz. If you lose internet access, it's going to kick you out. Okay? Alright, so I've been talking for about 11 minutes. I've gone over the homework site. I went over the syllabus. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions about any of this stuff. But please don't wait till the end to start the homework. I'm going to send you in this email some text with some highlights and some helpful stuff as far as taking an online course. But really the one thing I have to encourage for you is reach out, go to the math lab, get help, find a tutor, whatever you need, and please do not wait until Sunday night to start these assignments. You will not do very well in this course if you procrastinate, and I know that's a very easy thing to do when you don't have a teacher really urging you along in person. I'm going to be sending you emails, but it's easy to ignore those if you want to. So please don't wait till the end. Reach out to me if you're struggling. I'd be happy to sit down with you in an office hours to go over any of this material if it's not making sense or create another video for you. So I hope you guys have a great start to the semester. I'll be getting back to you later in the week. And yeah, have a great day.